Hello friends, today I am going to prepare a peanut recipe by giving it a twist of spices. So let's see the ingredients. 250 grams of peanut, 2 big tablespoons of rice flour, half bowl of chickpea powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of baking soda or eating soda, salt to taste, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of crushed fennel seeds, 10 to 15 curry patta, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Even you can add crushed ginger and garlic also. Let's start the recipe. Take a bowl, add peanuts to it, half bowl of chickpea powder, two tablespoons of rice flour, salt according to your taste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder crushed, half tablespoon fennel seeds, half tablespoon chaat masala, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, firstly we mix it all. A pinch of baking soda, a pinch of hing, 8 to 10 curry pattas, once again we mix it. Add the water to make it a sticky mixture. Now mix it. Heat the oil and add mixture of peanuts to it for deep frying it. As it comes out like golden in color, we take it out. They become so crispy. See. As you see, the peanuts are get roasted. We take it out for serve. Our peanut crackers are ready.